My name is Vaughn Grimm. I'm credit manager with MightyM. I've been credit manager since December of 21, but I have been a MightyM employee since August 1992. So I've been in the sales and service area for quite a while.
My name is Dave TC. I'm the Vice President of Commercialization. So I manage the sales department, the marketing department, and our product development efforts.
I am Mary Jo McLean, and my title is Controller, and I primarily deal with the accounting functions and payroll functions.
Like I said, we started in 71, and it was just a single 1,000 PSI cold water pressure washer. We graduated and advanced in the 70s and mid-80s. Mid-80s was tough. You know, the MightyM was on life support when it came to the business sector, but AJ had the drive, the passion, and the determination to keep the company going. And then at that moment there in the mid to late 80s when we started to develop the hot water line of pressure washers. And when we did that, it's when it really started to ramp up. Our customer bases started to expand. Our product offerings started to expand with smaller to larger machines, and then gas versus electric. And then it just kind of really took off from the late 80s until today. So then with the introduction of the air compressors and generators. Matter of fact, the MightyM Corporation got into generators the year Hurricane Katrina hit. So we hit the ground running literally when it came to generators. You know, we were all hands on deck. We had people from the sales and service floor out on the production lines helping to fill the orders of our customers, because they weren't just ordering ones, they were ordering hundreds upon hundreds. So, and AJ's mentality and philosophy was to bring in the componentry to make sure we were able to build that product. So that's engines and pumps and fuel tanks and frames and everything. So you got to be able to have that stuff on stock to turn them and ship them out.
We have roughly 360 employees. It varies at different times of the year, but roughly 360 employees. That's just in this facility, so the office and the factories. But we also have outreaching to many other manufacturing facilities around here that would expand the impact that we have on the entire community.
Right. Well, our founder is AJ Spiegel. AJ is well known not just in Piazza, but you know, around the world. He's a legend. But back in the 70s, he wanted a name to have a powerful, strong name for the company. So he wanted strong, and so that's where the Mighty came into play. And he abbreviated to MI-T. And then his first pressure washer that he built was 1,000 PSI. So the Roman numeral for 1,000 is a letter M. So we have the Mighty 1000. So therefore, MightyM was the name of the company. We're a manufacturer of industrial equipment, so we started with pressure washers back in the early 70s. We've been pressure washers up until the mid to late 90s. We branched into industrial wet dry vacuums, into portable and stationary air compressors, portable generators, portable heaters, and then we have a number of combination machines that we take generators and compressors and put them together. Even a compressor generator welder that we make for our customers. A lot of private label goes on here at MightyM, not just our brand, but brands of other well-known companies throughout the United States and the world, for that part. So, and then of course we always service what we sell. So, depending on what it is, we'll be there, you know, from beginning to end, from sale to service. MightyM prides itself on the taking care of the customer, number one. First and foremost, if we don't have a customer, we don't have MightyM. So we want to make sure the product that we sell to them, as we show it out in the plant, every unit is thoroughly tested before it ships out of here. Our engineering staff does a great job, you know, coming up with the product and designs that we need. And most importantly, once the product is out in the field, if they do have a issue or a question on the product, every unit ships out with a toll-free number on it. It rings into our sales and service departments, and it's answered by a human. You know, we don't want anything to get lost into a voicemail type program. So we pride ourselves on being there for the customer and actually talking through, you know, a sales question, a service question, or just a general product question.
We do a lot of different varieties of product, from pressure washers to generators and so on. But we also have a diverse customer base. So when the business is down in one area, we can pick it up in other areas. And that makes us very unique to our competitors and very unique in the industry. We not only service our employees, but we service the people around us. MyDM is a business in itself, but the businesses around us also supply product to MyDM. So the impact that we have on the community is very large, and we're very proud of that.
We've always had a collaborative relationship with Fidelity Bank, but they really played a critical role during the onset of the pandemic when they acted quickly in response to our business needs, which allowed us to easily navigate during these uncertain times. Fidelity has a very personalized and people-focused approach where they provide timely and relevant solutions that support our goals. We appreciate the responsiveness and availability from all of our partners at Fidelity.
Yeah, MyDM is a great organization to work for. I am fairly new to the organization, but from the very first step into the building, I felt welcome, and I think we treat our employees very well. MyDM is known for producing very good quality product, but we're known for also how we treat our employees. So I want to encourage anybody, if they're interested in finding a job at MyDM, please take the chance to do it. You will not regret it. We have plenty of people in our business that have been around for a long time.